Assalamu alaikum guys, kusoo dhawaad channel-kanaga waa tufaax
Amayaan.
So maanta maxaan sameynaynaa?
Maanta waxaan sameynaynaa ethnicity tag.
Let's do it!
So basically the first question is, what's your ethnicity?
Taayana waa inaan soo bilowno aad ka dhex hadlaysaa because halka exactly lagaga maqlayaa. Okay, ready? Umas ma ishiyaan sii diyaarsaday. So Assalamu alaikum guys, kusoo dhawaad channel-kanaga waa tufaax
Amayaan.
maanta waxaan sameynaynaa video
Ethnicity tag.
so let's get it.
Let's get it. So basically the first question is, what's your ethnicity? If I look down, because I'm reading the questions of my phone.
So you wanna go first? Markaan ka jawaabay adigu.
No, you answer. What's your ethnicity?
Soomaali baan nahay. Soomaali baan ka sii nahay. Adigu laakiin maxaa tahay? Indha yar
I'm half Chinese and half Somali, so mix.
Ana half xawashi waa iska leeyahay Soomaali waan iska dhal.
So the second question is, when was the last time you visited in your country?
Aniga markii ugu dambeysay wadankayga booqdo waxay ahayd last year 2018kii. Marka waxaan ka soo 5 bilood baan
No,
noolaa.
last year 2019, right?
No, it was 2018. I came back 2019.
Oh, you went?
Yeah.
Okay.
What about you? Never.
Never.
Kuma noqonin.
Third question is, name one ethnic food that you enjoy the most.
You want me to go first? Okay. Ana marka hore ka jawaabaya. Waxa weeyaan canjeero Somali man. Shaah lagu daray, sonkor lagu daray. What about you?
Inta ugu jeclahay Soomaalida waxa waaye
Bris, of
with
course.
banana.
Shout out to Moscow, man.
The fourth question is, name one household that reminds you of your country.
Okay, you wanna go first?
That represents
Say
your
one.
culture. Bati. Shout out to Bati.
Oh, see! Oh my god, wait, mate. Hey! Hey! Flash! What's fish the mood of it? Allah! What goes on?
So the other question is, what part of the country are you from?
We're from Jigjiga. Especially
I'm from
Warder.
Kahido,
Shout out to
Shout out
Warder, man.
The last question, the final and the last question is, what song that reminded of your country?
Soomaaliyey tooso isku tiirsadayay habakiina taagdaranay taageero weligiinay.
So basically we wanna make short to this video, so
Yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, and more video will be coming. Share garaya waan ku dhahay all the cambaros, all the Hassan Cheetos, all the Faraxas. Please share garaya, subscribe garayana. Peace out. One love.
Assalamu alaikum. Bye.